teenager, I had horrible acne. Everyone told me, don't worry, it will clear up when you are older. Well, guess what? I am an adult with horrible acne now. Nothing improved, it actually got worse. Today's video will discuss get soft, smooth, clear skin first with this simple face mask recipe. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. So I am always trying out new products, but most of the creams and ointments are such I have not having overpriced and they under-delivered. What has had results for me as a natural face mask I have learned to make at home. You can view a list of some great ones here and two of my favorites here. Here are the ingredients you need: collagen, agar powder, lemon juice, manuka honey, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, lavender and peppermint essential oil. Once you combine the ingredients and paint them onto your face in a thin layer, they solidify, which means that you can remove them by simply peeling them right off. How cool is that? I have never had such an easy cleanup after applying a dye face mask before. And like I said, it makes your skin feel satin smooth and soft, and it has done wonders for my acne. Give it a try and remember to make sure you only use unprocessed natural honey. Don't overdo it with essential oils either. They need to be safety diluted to use directly on your skin. You are going to love the results. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.